Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Rami's here with me today since it's Sunday. We thought that we would show you guys what we got for our groceries for this meal because Rami and I are really wanting to go on a plant-based diet, and honestly, like, I don't really cook a lot of meat at home anyways, so today we went to Whole Foods and bought a bunch of fruits and vegetables and things, and I have like a plan of what I want to cook, so I'll leave all the recipe links down below. So if you get inspired by any of this, you can do that next week. Rami, you want to help me? I'm bad.
So if you want to see the groceries for the week, here they are.
So this is our grocery haul / Whole Foods.
Not just one meal, like she said, it's for the whole week.
Yeah, so it's a grocery haul and a Whole Foods unbagging. Okay, let's go.
So
first up, orange juice, because we love it. It's a really good alternative to have if you're having like a sweet tooth craving but you don't want to eat like chocolate or something. Just a small bit of orange juice always helps satisfy our sweet tooth.
Milk alternatives, because I can't drink milk anymore.
Yeah,
so.
Rami's lactose intolerant and I've never been a fan of cow's milk, so he gets almond milk, I get oat milk. If you haven't tried oat milk before, you really need to because it's so good. It's very creamy, so I like to put this in my quinoa breakfast thing that I make every day, and then Rami uses almond milk for his smoothies. Spring mix and baby spinach. Baby spinach we mostly put in smoothies, and then spring mix for our salad. I've done a lot of research on the best greens to get, and spring mix is by far the best one. We always get organic. I've always been really paranoid about what kind of pesticides there might be and other stuff, so I try to buy organic whenever possible. We use dates for our smoothies, and Rami actually, if he wants a snack, sometimes he'll have dates and cashews as a snack, so I always get a large thing of dates. These are the organic Medjool dates. Lots of bananas. We go through bananas like crazy in this household because we put it in our smoothies and then we have them as snacks too if we need, and then I put them in my breakfast quinoa that I will share the recipe down below because it's the best thing ever. Grapefruits, obviously need some fruit in the house. We have apples, snack food, and then Rami takes this for breakfast. Believe it or not, Rami has an apple, a banana, and a cucumber every day for breakfast.
Every day. Keeps me satisfied until lunchtime.
Yep.
I decided to get some avocados this time because I actually really enjoy avocados.
I've never been able to make good avocado toast, but I think I just need to season it well. So I'm gonna try that too. He got really good ripe ones. They're very soft to touch, so that's good. These are good avocados.
Rami's breakfast.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
We got like five cucumbers.
Some limes.
Lots of limes. We love limes too, and then we put it in our food. And like when I cook food, I use a lot of lime too.
Some more apples for snacks. I actually haven't tried this type before. It's a yellow apple.
Oh, this is a yellow apple, and then what were the other ones?
One of them is called an anise apple, and the other one is a...
Oh, you just have different varieties.
Yeah, I like to get different types of apples each time just to try out what they have.
And then we got a yellow onion. Can never have enough onions. That is such a staple. And a purple onion. The yellow onions are, sorry, these are not yellow. They're called sweet onions. These are good for milder flavors. And then I get purple onions when I really want to intensify an onion taste. So I get both. Then I got some russet potatoes. These are about 2 pounds because I'm gonna make a potato leek soup. Yum, can't wait. And then I got some sweet potatoes because Humphrey loves baked sweet potatoes, and so does Rami. So sometimes when I don't want to cook, I'll just put sweet potatoes in the oven and let them bake. And Humphrey and Rami really enjoy it. And then sometimes I also make sweet potato burgers, which I will leave the recipe for down below as well.
It's a very easy meal hack, is just putting some sweet potatoes in the oven, cooking them, and then you can just eat them that way. You don't have to do anything else.
These are 4 leeks for the potato soup. Yum! I can't wait. I'm so excited for this potato soup. It's gonna be so tasty. And then I have peppers. I buy a mix of orange and yellow. Red are sweet peppers, but I like to get the orange and yellow ones for more savory foods. So I make like a Singapore noodle recipe thing, and I use the peppers in that, and it tastes so good. Love peppers. Ooh. Oh yeah, we also got eggplants. I'm gonna make, right after I'm finished filming this haul for you guys, I will make a roasted eggplant dip. So I got 2 eggplants for that. And then I have herbs here. I get the fresh ones and then I freeze them because it's just easier that way for me. So I have thyme, which will go into the potato leek soup. And then I have dill, which I will use for a roasted red pepper soup. I have some red peppers in the fridge that are about to go bad, so I need to use them ASAP.
More snack food.
And smoothie food.
Smoothie food. Blueberries, strawberries. Staple of my smoothies.
Yeah, we buy blueberries and strawberries as staples in our home all the time.
So this time I found a persimmon. I love persimmons, but they don't always have them at the grocery store.
So why did you only get one?
Because I just wanted to make sure that I still like them.
Oh.
Because I know I do like.
You just said you like them.
Well, I know I remember loving persimmons. I just haven't had one in a long time.
Is this a nice ripe one?
I think so.
It smells good. I don't know. Something about persimmon texture. Texture doesn't really faze me, but I don't know why. Persimmons, we'll see. We'll figure it out. I'll put it over here with the orange.
So this is another staple for us. Just some sandwich bread.
Yes, this one is called Dave's Killer Bread, and it has it's the thinly sliced version. It has 21 whole grains and seeds, and it's got 70 calories, which is nice. So if you don't want to go
70 calories per slice.
70 calories per slice.
70 calories per slice.
So if you don't want to go too carb heavy, but you really want some carbs, this is good. I'm probably going to toast these with my eggplant dip today and just have that. And then we had run out of olive oil, so I got olive oil spray. And then this is really cool. We use golden light agave. It's 100% blue agave, and it's supposed to be a low glycemic sweetener. I had agave in my tea in Amsterdam, and since then I've just been hooked. So I got this. This is from a brand called Madhaba. And then for my roasted red pepper soup, I needed a can of crushed tomatoes, so I got this brand. And coconut milk is a staple in our home too, because I use it for a lot of things like soups and curries. I even use it for my quinoa breakfast, so I get the light version. I have no problem with full fat coconut milk. I just think sometimes it makes things a little too creamy, so that's why I got the light one. But you can use regular full fat coconut milk too, which tastes amazing. We had run out of mustard, so we got some Grey Poupon. This is like my favorite Dijon mustard to get. I got some quinoa for my quinoa breakfast that I make.
The last thing,
last but not least, some cheese and garlic croutons for my roasted red pepper soup. I've never tried these croutons, but I haven't had breakfast, so naturally I'm craving some carbs right now. So yeah, this is our grocery haul for hopefully the week. Maybe it'll last us a little bit longer. I think all of this food cost us $127. Hopefully this is gonna last us for many meals throughout the week, because we're trying to like budget now and really eat at home as much as possible, even though it's the holidays. So hopefully
budgeting and just being healthier.
Yes.
Because who knows what they're putting in that food at the restaurants.
Exactly.
Who knows?
Exactly. So now I'm just going to make this eggplant dip, get that roasted red pepper soup on the way, and yeah, today's gonna be a pretty chill day. I wanted to organize the cabinet, my media cabinet, like I said yesterday, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that because I kind of want to just take it easy, especially if I'm gonna be meal prepping. So if I don't do it tonight, I'll do it tomorrow, I promise. Okay, first thing I'm making is this roasted eggplant dip with caramelized onions and garlic. This does not look that great, but I bet you this tastes incredible. So I just got the eggplant out of the oven, and I'm gonna let it cool, then take it off from around the skin and mix it all up. Throw in a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. Again, I'm gonna list all these recipes down below in case you wanna make anything. Okay, you guys, so I figured I'm just gonna go through and sort my media closet out with you guys. It shouldn't take that long because there's not much in it. I like to just go through everything and see what I have. And this, okay, now that I opened it, I'm like, okay, well, I guess there's not really much in here for me to sort out. So I have, right now, I just have my blankets in here. This is just like a Victoria's Secret blanket that I got. And like a gift bag, and then I keep my other blanket in here, which I'm using on the couch. It's like one of the best blankets I've ever used. It's so good. Like Humphrey always just falls asleep. It's like his little security blanket almost. Actually puts me to sleep too. I will link it down below because it makes for an amazing Christmas present. Seriously, that blanket is incredible. Okay, moving on. Oh look, this is what I wanted to see. This should not be in here. This should be in the blanket aisle or in the blanket cabinet. And then my vases are here. These are just vases from IKEA that I have collected over the years, and these are nice for like Christmas parties or whatever, because I like to have lots of fresh flowers around Christmas time. So I am going to just put these together. A lot of the stuff in my cabinet is empty. I honestly like prefer it that way. This should not be in here. This is like the control for this electric blanket, and then this shouldn't be in here because this can go with where that little foam roller was in the first cabinet. So I'm just gonna do that right now and show you guys in a sec. All right, so I have put everything away where it needs to be. So up here I have my blankets, and then this is a foam roller. So sometimes when I'm watching TV, I'll just use this foam roller just to roll my back. This is what do you call these things? A lacrosse. I think this is a lacrosse ball. It's supposed to be good for if you have like foot pain, because I'm flat-footed and sometimes when I work out I get really bad. My feet just hurt, so this is really nice for that. And then also I have my foot massager. This is from Amazon. It's like one of the best purchases I've ever gotten. So many of my friends and family love it. My only rule is if you're gonna use my foot massager, you need to wear socks. But it's a really, really great product. I will also link that one down below. What's Rami doing? I think Rami is rolling his foot now. How do you feel, Rami?
It hurts.
And then my last one, this is what I really wanted to sort through because I put all of my electronic equipment in here. So I need to just kind of go through this and see what all I have. The tree is getting in the way, but whatever. Okay, so this is how I organize everything in the electronics compartment. So I have my DSLR in here with a flash, and then this has a speaker, some chargers, and I believe flash accessories in here. And then down here we have all of our bags for all the equipment that we have. This is for a tripod. This is a small tripod for my camera, my vlogging camera, and then this is just a DSLR bag. My Theragun, one of the best massage tools ever, I love it, is there. And then I have some notepads in there, and then when I'm not using my laptop, sometimes I just put it over here. So this is all very nicely organized, and these bins I got from Amazon, which I'll link for you guys as well. Going in theme with just keeping my home really minimalistic. As you saw in the cabinet, I don't have very much stuff, and I like to keep my home like that because the more clutter I have, like that's just when I can't concentrate on anything. And I'm glad I went through that media cabinet because it did not take me long at all to do it. Also, I wanted to show you the blanket that I was talking about, which is like insane. I got this as a present. My cousin gave this to me. So it's really fuzzy on the inside, and it's like this on the outside. It's not like just like a regular blanket material. And it's called Peace Love Home. And it was on one of Oprah's favorite things like last year or something for Christmas. And it's insane, this blanket. I'll make sure to leave it down below for you guys. Alright, next up I am making a roasted red pepper soup. I wish you could smell this. It's just crushed tomatoes, dill, coconut milk, garlic powder. It already smells so good. And then I'm waiting for the red peppers to roast, and I'm going to add them in here and blend it all together. Super easy. Again, I will leave the link down below for this recipe as well. I have my red peppers roasted here from the oven, and then Rami is making, what are you making, Rami?
Making overnight oats.
He does a really good job doing it.
It's a breakfast food that we eat pretty often.
And then I'm just gonna peel the skin off because I don't want all that blackened skin on it. And then just add it into, or actually just use an immersion blender. Don't even need to add it into anything. And that's it. It smells incredible. Okay guys, I'm ending this vlog here. I was so excited to show everybody my typical weekend of what it looks like. Some of my New Year's resolutions are to meal prep, to eat at home, and just to have plant-based food in general. And I'm just so excited to get a head start on all of that. And today's just been a really good day. I love days like this. It's really rare that I get days like this, so I try to enjoy them as much as possible because usually our weekends are packed, but I'm so happy. I'm trying to slow down a little bit. Anyways, I will see you guys very soon, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.